Are you wanting to buy your first home for your growing family in the East Bay area, but you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to begin? In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to prepare for your home buying journey so you will feel equipped and confident when you're ready to purchase your first home. The first step to prepare for your home purchase starts about 12 to 6 months out, and it's all about getting your finances in order. Whether you need to raise your credit score or create a down payment savings plan, you'll want to figure this all out about a year in advance from when you're wanting to buy your first house. Something that most first-time buyers don't realize is that when you're saving for a down payment, you'll also want to set aside additional funds for buyer's closing costs, which is about 1 to 3% of the purchase price. We recommend budgeting about $8,000 to $15,000 extra depending on your price point. For more information on closing costs, check out our video that breaks down buyer's closing costs and what's included. By this point, you should be about 3 months out and ready to move on to step number 2, where you'll meet with a lender to get pre-approved and determine your budget. Once you find a lender that you want to work with, you'll need to provide them with W-2s, pay stubs, and bank statements to name a few. Make sure you take into account other expenses like taxes and homeowner's insurance and are budgeting for future home maintenance costs. You may not want to spend the max amount you're approved for, depending on the rest of your budget, so think about how much you're comfortable paying monthly and go from there. Now that you have a pre-approval in hand, you're ready to meet with a realtor that you like and trust and establish a plan together based on your goals, timelines, and criteria. Buyer's agent acts as your point of contact during your entire home buying process to help you have a smooth and seamless experience. They'll educate you on the market, guide you through each step, help you put together a strong offer, negotiate on your behalf, and be your overall advocate and support throughout the entire process. We meet with our buyers up to a year in advance and provide them with a custom home buying guide to keep them on track from start to finish. In short, it's never too early to talk with the realtor if you're thinking about buying a home. Next is the fun part, which is house hunting and looking at homes in person. You'll want to let your agent know the specifics in your search criteria, such as certain neighborhoods or locations, price point, the size and type of home, preferred layout or condition, and any deal breakers you might have, such as it must have a 2-car garage or a dedicated office space. With your wish list, we can match your home and community must-haves with your budget and find your perfect home. Don't worry if after you start looking at homes that your list changes a bit. You may find out quickly that things you thought were must-haves aren't really deal breakers after all. Now that you've gotten pre-approved, created a game plan with your realtor, and started looking at homes in person, you're ready to write an offer on a home that you love. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll walk you through the 5 steps that will take you from accepted offer to closing day so you can start celebrating homeownership and settle into your new home. Thank you so much for watching. If you're considering a move in the East Bay area or have any questions about the home buying process, make sure to get in touch with me or any other agent on our team. I'll see you next time.